Hello everyone, today let's make Olan, one of the staples in the Kerala Sadhya, whether it's Vishu or Onam or any wedding. Let me tell you how to make this the creamy way. For this you will need about 1 cup cowpeas or Vanpayaru soaked in water overnight and cooked for about 2 to 3 whistles. Now I have a huge load of payara that I am going to use for other recipes, but you can cook about 1 cup of it. This looks overcooked but it is not. I have drained the water and used only the legume for the recipe. Then I'm using about quarter of an ash gourd or about 250 grams of ash gourd cleaned and chopped. To this I will add salt as required and 1 green chilli slit and just enough water to cover the white pumpkin. Now I am closing this and cooking this until it turns translucent like this. You know it's done. The water's almost evaporated. To this we will add curry leaves and then 1 cup of the cooked cowpeas or Vanpayaru. To this I am adding thin coconut milk. Now I have used powdered coconut milk, which works just as fine, or you have to take rendam pal, which is the milk you squeeze out of grated coconut the second time. So it's runny, it's not as thick. So you use that to cook this through, and once that comes to a boil, you have to check for salt and adjust as required. Once this consistency is reached, you will use the thick coconut milk, which is onnam pal, or the first coconut milk that you get out of the grated coconut. It will be thick and fatty. Use 1/4 of a cup and then add some coconut oil and let it sit for a while. You'll realize after it sits for a while, it gets thicker and creamier. Creamy and delicious Olan is ready. Try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. Bye.